That we are going to see a similar movement in Parliament once again this morning. Speaking to senior leaders in the BJP and other opposition parties, the unanimous opinion was they're not going to allow Parliament function until and unless the Prime Minister really makes a statement on the floor of the House. They're not going to be satisfied with a statement from the Home Minister. In fact, the Congress core group is meeting at 10 o'clock this morning. The Prime Minister already has arrived at the Parliament premises, getting a few briefings on the state of affairs really at this point in time. But that core group meeting is going to take a decision on two major issues. And those two issues are whether there is a compromise formula that the government can offer to Anna Hazare so that they can make him leave the premises of Tihar jail and carry on with his movement in some form or the other, or the second decision on whether the Prime Minister should take the bait of the opposition pressure and really make a statement on the floor of the House. Those two decisions will be taken in the core group meeting that is likely to be held in a few minutes from now. The Prime Minister already in the Parliament getting a briefing on the situation as far as the latest talks of the police authorities with Anna Hazare is concerned. But there's a sense of complete helplessness and paralysis as far as the government is concerned, not knowing what to do next as Anna Hazare really outsmarts them every step of the way.
So, Navika, as far as the government is concerned, what will be their strategy? We believe, even as we speak, meetings being held behind closed doors.
Well, Niranjan, as I said, the Congress core group will meet at 10 o'clock. The two main decisions that they have to take is whether or not and what kind of a compromise formula to offer to Anna Hazare to make him agreeable to leave the premises of Tihar jail. He's been demanding that he should be allowed to hold his fast at JP Park. Will the government agree for JP Park today at least, and then change the venue sometime tomorrow? Those are some of the options that are being considered. That's the decision number one, whether a compromise formula should be offered to Anna Hazare and what kind of compromise formula that should be. The second decision that the core group will decide is whether the government should bow down to opposition pressure and make the Prime Minister make a statement on the floor of the House today so that the Parliament can function, or whether the Congress should stand tough and say that it will be a reply by the Home Minister and no further. But the BJP, the opposition party, is adamant that nothing less than the Prime Minister's reply will satisfy them, and they're not going to allow Parliament to function until that happens. However, in Rajya Sabha, the impeachment proceedings against Soumitra Sen, a judge accused of corruption, those proceedings are likely to continue because members of Parliament feel that the judicial function of the Parliament to weed out the corrupt judges, that should not be stopped in the middle of this fight against corruption.